Making a banana bread in my crock pot. Got my cake mix and my water, vegetable oil, and my eggs. And then my very ripe bananas. Now, if you don't have a cake mix, you can use our Dining on a Dime Volume 1 banana bread. Volume 2, the blue one, has variations on banana bread. But my original banana bread recipe is in Volume 1. I will link the recipe in the description below for both, but my banana bread is one of the top that people absolutely love. Got my spray oil. We're going to take our banana bread, pour it in. Just mix in that little bit of powder. There we go. Up to 40% off all of our print books and ebooks at livingonadime.com for our Christmas in July sale. Easy recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen quick, your family will love. Then we're going to place a paper towel or a regular dish towel over your crock pot and put the lid on. And we are going to bake this in the crock pot. Okay, got my banana bread and I think it's done. I'm going to stick my knife in. Yep, nice and clean. Okay, who wants to test banana bread in the crock pot? Now, you can frost this, but I'm not going to frost this one. Okay, so Jack wants to be my taste tester. Now this is... not enough bread. Jack wants to be my taste tester, but this is super hot. Can you record me while I'm getting a piece out? So my spatula is in the dishwasher. So... get cut. Okay. This is very hard to do without a spatula. Okay, there we go. Ooh, 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 that looks delicious. Okay, we're gonna run over and get a plate. Okay, I won't show your face.
All right, let us see.
He paused his game to do this, to be here.
Yep. Is it fine if I eat this with my fingers?
Yes. You may eat it with your fingers.
Ooh, that's very good.
Is that delicious?
Yeah.
Now you can frost it with cream cheese frosting or white frosting if you want.
This would be good with cream cheese frosting. It's like really fluffy, actually.
Yay! Yummy, huh?
Yeah.